Have you ever wondered why Chandrayaan-3 mission has so much expectations? That the last time when the Chandrayaan-2 was unsuccessful, the ISRO chief K7 cried on the shoulders of our PM, Narendra Modi.
स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर के सिवान को गले लगाते हुए, पीठ थपथपाते हुए, हौसला बंधाते हुए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।
Today, friends, we are going to know what this mission is all about. What are the things we need to know about it? Don't worry, I am here to tell you all you need to know.
With a historic mission to the moon and the launch of India's Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft. This is the moment that it took off.
Friends, the amazing part as I am making this video on the 7th of August, the Chandrayaan-3 has already entered the lunar orbit. So let's start, friends. The first basic thing that comes to our mind is what is the purpose or the objective of the mission. Let's see. The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft is carrying many science payloads that will help scientists here on Earth understand the moon better. But the main objective and the most basic one, yet the most difficult one, is to successfully carry out a soft landing on the moon. This is the same objective that the Chandrayaan-2 failed to achieve during the last leg of the mission, with the Vikram lander crashing onto the lunar surface. If ISRO gets it right with Chandrayaan-3, India will be just the fourth country to do a soft landing on the moon after the United States, the Soviet Union, or now known as Russia, and China. The Chandrayaan-3 mission will be launched into space by the launch vehicle Mark 3, which was earlier known as GSLV Mark 3. This will be the fourth operational mission for the launch vehicle Mark 3. The launch vehicle is powered by two S2000 solid rocket boosters that will provide the thrust required for takeoff. After the solid boosters separate from the launch vehicle, it will be powered by L110 liquid stage. After the separation of the liquid stage, the CE25 cryogenic stage will take over. These all acts as the main fuel that will provide velocity to the launch vehicle. The main Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft consists of three modules: the lander module, a propulsion module, and a rover module. The name of the lander and rover of Chandrayaan-3 is same as that of Chandrayaan-2, Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. The propulsion module will carry the spacecraft from an injection orbit around Earth till 100 km towards the lunar orbit. While that is its primary function, the propulsion module will also carry a payload that will take spectral and polymetric measurements of Earth from a lunar orbit. You all would be wondering, what does spectral and polymetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit means? Basically, it means a device to take pictures of Earth from the lunar orbit. The Vikram lander will be carrying the Ramba LP, CHANDRAYAAN-STE and ILSA scientific payloads. What are those for? Let's see. The Ramba LP helps to measure the ion and electrons density of the moon surface. The CHANDRAYAAN-STE helps to measure the thermal property of the lunar surface. The ILSA helps to measure the seismicity of the landing site. While the rover Pragyan will be carrying APXS and LIBS. APXS to determine the chemical composition of the lunar surface, LIBS to determine the elemental composition of the lunar surface. The lander Vikram weighs approximately 1750 kilograms including the rover, which weighs 26 kilograms by itself. The lander measures about 2 by 2 into 1.1 meters while the rover measures about 91 by 75 by 39 centimeters. Both the rover and lander have been designed to operate on the moon for about 14 days. So that's all you need to know about the Chandrayaan 3 and its mission. And at last, let's pray to God it safely lands on the lunar surface and give justice to the hard work that our scientists have put into this mission. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.